Today we will see the interfacing of Bluetooth module with Arduino Uno board. Here in my project I use the HC-05 Bluetooth module, and for interfacing this module with the Arduino Uno board we need some programming portion also. So here I show you the which program I use. It is a very simple program, and for that here you can see the programming. We just use the UART programming serial data in. There is a serial begin 9600. This 9600 is a bit rate, and now here is I use some logic that if serial dot available, that means any serial data is available, it will read at invite, that is my variable name invite, and I declare it is a integer unsigned integer, and whenever these any data is received in a UART or serial mode, it will be written on the serial bit and it will be displayed. Now you see the Bluetooth module HC-05 is connected with the Arduino Uno board, and it is connected in the UART port of the board, that is pin number 0 and pin number 1. Now you see I just download a apps from a Play Store, that is the Bluetooth written over here, and you just click over here. This is the Bluetooth terminal HC-05. Now it is connected with this board, and you just see the blinking is now stop in Bluetooth module. Just slow down. Now here I type the high and send the ASCII key, and see in my terminal, computer terminal, it is coming. Now again I just type I am fine, am fine, and press the send key. See here it is coming on COM port terminal, and in that way I just type again my website name, that is www.nbcafe.in. It is my website, and you can get the all project details and lot of project from this website, and press the send key. See here this, see now it is come in the serial terminal, that is www.nbcafe.in. Thank you.